Hey everybody, I'm Bodhi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking Qigong in everyday activity. Now if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Now the other week one of my subscribers had a wonderful idea for me, and they had asked about how do we find Qigong in everyday tasks that we may be doing around the house or in our life. So today we wanted to talk about how do you find that? How do you find it, whether you're cleaning a mirror, whether you're doing the dishes, whether you're doing the laundry, whatever it is you're doing around the house, how do you find that Qigong aspect? How do you make everything Qigong? And the reality is we just have to have a few things in mind when we do it. One, we want to feel our balance. We want to feel the root of our body, our weight, and how it shifts from foot to foot. We want to feel our core. We want to feel how the rotation of our body is connected to our hips. We want to feel our arms' reaction to the movement of our core and the movement of our feet and the connection to our hips. We want to move with our breath. We want to breathe in on certain movements and breathe out on certain movements. And all the time we want our mind connected to what we are doing, and therefore turning even something as simple as cleaning a mirror becomes a full body moving meditation, a full expression of you, and a healing activity. Let's move around the house. Remember, it's not what you're doing, but how you do it. Even as something as simple as emptying the dishwasher allows you to feel that connection to your weight, to your core, to your body, to your breath, to your mind. Pulling out the dishwasher rack doesn't have to be a broken movement. Lifting a plate, opening the cupboards, all of these things can be a connected movement that you can find your water weight, that you can find the shift in your balance, that you can find your connection as you reach for the plate, coming back to grab the next, looking for that saucer, opening up, feeling your weight transfer from one side to the next. The bowl becomes a tool to connect your mind to the moment. All of these can turn doing a little bit of emptying the dishwasher into a moving meditation. All you have to do is find your connection to what you're doing. Remember, the essence of Qigong is finding fun in the moment. Not taking yourself too seriously. We have a whole lifetime to judge ourselves, but maybe we turn that everyday activity into a little bit of fun, feeling our balance, feeling a connection to what we're doing, and being mindfully engaged, and all the time smiling, and turn everyday activities into a moving meditation that allows you to connect your mind to your breath, and your breath to your body, and everything to the moment. And therefore, even doing the laundry can be healing. Give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope I gave you something to think about today as you're doing your laundry, or you're doing the grocery shopping, or putting the groceries away. Whatever you have to do in your day, make it Qigong, because everything can be Qigong. Thanks for watching.